Hello guys, hello everyone. This is Saurabh, and today I'm going to show you how to install Apache and get a web server running on local host of your application. Whatever HTML or Flask or any other application you build, you can host it locally using Apache. So let's start. So first of all, these are the steps to perform. So we are going to start with the first step, that is to download Apache. So to download Apache, you can download it from apachelaunch.com or Apache House as well. So right now I've downloaded Apache version 2.4.55 from the apachehouse.com and version 2.4.57 from apachelaunch.com. So as you can see, I've downloaded both of these, and once you download it, you need to extract it. So first, you can use an extraction tool like Vidran. All you have to do is extract files, and okay, yes, it will get downloaded over here, extracted over here. Then I can cut it, copy this in the C drive, maybe here. Okay, so this is where our Apache is now. So the main files in Apache are the configuration files as well as the stdocs, and the binary is inside Apache. So our first step is done, that is downloading the Apache. Now let's move on to the next step. After that, check if it is working. Okay, so check whether Apache is working. You can just simply click on the STDVD. So this has started the Apache server. You can go to the localhost, and as you can see, Apache house distribution. This is the one we downloaded, 2.4.55. So this is the Apache. So yes, it is working. Then we need to copy the our application file to stdocs. Okay, so this is index.html page, that whatever that Apache has provided us, this is by default. So whatever application files that we have, right, that we can place it here. So in C, I've created this simple HTML web page with just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so I'm going to paste it inside the stdocs folder. So as you can see, we have two files here now, index and app. So when we start the Apache server, what file is going to be shown there is going to be decided by this stdpd.conf file inside the stdconf configuration folder. So here you can search for index.html. So if you see, if module directory index is set at index.html, so we can set it to our HTML file. Simply rename that as index.html. So once we have saved this, I think we can close this. So our HTTP is running. I'm going to close it. I'm going to run the HTTP again. So now at localhost, when I refresh it, it says hello, this is Saurabh here, because that's what was in our app.html. So yes, this third step now is done. Now the fourth step, install Apache as a service. Okay, so right now what we did is started Apache every time we changed anything. So instead of doing that, what we can do is install Apache as a service, as a Windows service, which will help us in, means whenever we start the PC, we can make it by default to start the Apache service as well. So, and it has all other benefits as well, which we can discuss in other video. So if you want to start Apache as a service, first you need to install it as a service. So first we are going to start by that. You have to open the command prompt as an administrator. Remember to open it as an administrator as well. So here we go. Now we will copy this path, change the directory to it. Now we are in the bin. So std dot we will write install here. Okay, so it is installed. Just to show you, this is one of the services. So you can see that Apache 2.4 service has been installed. So you can start it from here. Once you start it, now you can see that Apache HTTPD is no more work, means no more started, but still you can see it on the local host 127. You can see that hello, this is over here. My app is running fine. If I stop the service, okay, so the services stopped. If I refresh it now, you can see that the site can't be reached. That's what it is because our Apache service is not on. If you start the service, here you go. Other this is over here. Okay. So what is the next step? Okay. So now our Apache is running as a service. Here all tasks. Inside the service, in the properties, you can see the service status, startup type, maybe automatic, manual, disabled, whatever you want, and you can apply. Okay. So next step, and the most important thing is what happens if you want to update the Apache. Okay, so right now, if you see, so the version that we are using is Apache 2.4.55. What if you need to update this Apache without affecting your application? So it is fairly simple. As you saw that the main changes that we did was the conf and okay, so the services stop. If I refresh it now, you can see that the site can't be reached. That's what it is because our Apache service is not on. If you start the service, here you go. Other this is over here. Okay. So what is the next step? Okay. So now our Apache is running as a service. Here all tasks. Inside the service, in the properties, you can see the service status, startup type, maybe automatic, manual, disabled, whatever you want, and you can apply. Okay. So next step, and the most important thing is what happens if you want to update the Apache. Happens if you want to update the Apache. Okay. So right now, if you see. So the version that we are using is Apache 2.4.55. What if you need to update this Apache without affecting your application? So it is fairly simple. As you saw that the main changes that we did was the conf and htdocs folders. So these are the two folders that we need. Others are the Apache dependent folders. So you can just so in case we need to update our Apache. So right now we have downloaded second Apache. So right now we have downloaded second Apache, which is 2.4.57. We'll extract it as a okay. We have extracted it. So this is the Apache that we have downloaded 2.4.57. So if we need to update, what we need to do is first of all stop the service, Apache service. So inside the services, we go to Apache 2.4. We stop it. Okay. So I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to rename as old symbolically. Okay. So we have it here. Apache 2.4 old. Okay. Now the newer version of Apache that we downloaded are going to do is just copy this to the location buffer. What we need is this configuration. So I'm going to copy this code, and in our new Apache, just paste it, replace the files. So inside it, what we did is all the folders that we changed, we just copied them here. Everything else just remains the same, so it won't be a problem. So let's see. Now we can go to the services. As you know that we just stopped the Apache service, didn't uninstall it. So at the same path, the Apache service should work when we started. Okay, so we started this. As you can see, Apache is working fine. Just the updated version of Apache is running. That we can check here. CMD. As you can see, the Apache is updated. The version is 2.4.57. This is the video, guys. This is how you update, install, and start the Apache as service.